Eyebrows and eyelashes frame our eyes and define the face. Our waxing and tinting services can help you achieve the right shape for your eyebrows to enhance your natural appearance. Eyebrow waxing removes unwanted hairs, leaving a more desirable brow shape. There may be some slight discomfort and redness immediately following the session, but this will resolve quickly. Results from eyebrow waxing last between 3 and 4 weeks. Eyebrow and eyelash tinting are additional options that we offer. A semi-permanent color can be applied to your brows to fill in sparse areas and add color to finer hairs that may not be noticeable otherwise. An eyelash tint can also be applied to create a semi-permanent darkening of the lashes. Results from eyebrow and lash tinting can last between 4 and 6 weeks. We are dedicated to finding an optimal solution to all of our patients' needs, and we will help you select a cosmetic treatment option that is right for you.